Israel finally goes mask-free. How did the Middle East nation achieve its vaccine success? On Sunday, April 18th, for the first time in over a year, Israelis could step safely outside their homes without the need to wear a mask. With over half of its population now fully vaccinated, via one of the fastest and most successful immunization campaigns in the world, the Israeli government, over the weekend, lifted its mask mandate. Director General of the Ministry of Health, Professor Hezi Levy, said that, in light of the morbidity figures that continue to be low throughout the country, so that there is no obligation to wear a mask in an open area, starting from April 18, 2021. According to the website, ourworldindata.org, 61.89% of Israel's population had received at least a single dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. That figure represents a remarkable achievement for a country that had the highest per capita COVID-19 infection rate in the world. So how did the country manage this? Israel began its vaccination program on December 19, 2020. Less than 2 weeks after the first doses of the Pfizer vaccine arrived in the country. During the latter half of 2020, Israel stood out for its speed in signing purchase agreements with vaccine manufacturers like Pfizer and Moderna, ensuring that vaccine availability would not become an issue. Israel also quickly introduced something known as a Green Passport. A phone app acts as a certification that an individual has been immunized or has immunity, having already contracted and recovered from the COVID-19 infection. Holders of the Green Passport were allowed to visit gyms and swimming pools, and attend cultural events, weddings and other congregations. But the Israeli government was explicit in stating that those who did so without a Green Passport would attract hefty punishment. The success of the nation's vaccination program prompted Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that, "We are leading the world right now when it comes to emerging from the coronavirus." And he warned toughly that, "But we have still not finished with the coronavirus. It can return." Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more facts.